friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and I'm back. It has been quite a while since I've done a video. I've just had a lot going on with everything, and then I seem to have gotten like a budgeting block. I don't know how to explain it other than it's like writing block. Like I sit down to do my budget and nothing. I think I've been a little burnt out with doing everything. And then also there really isn't any like fun stuff going on in my budget right now. I've got a lot of stuff going out with medical bills and fixing my car, and just things that just seem to be making my money leave my wallet. So we are kind of starting from scratch again, but we are going to start up very soon with more videos. Hopefully I am over my issues with being able to sit and budget. But there is something new that I have been working on, and it's bringing this binder into my rotation. So I have started, well, I've had it for a while, but I really haven't done anything with it, is I have a Poshmark store. It's RW Designs is what I've called it. So it kind of goes with the Etsy, but I haven't really done anything with it lately, like the last year and a half or so. And I never really did anything with it before. I am rambling, but I do want to say there is a end to my ramble here soon. But I decided that I was going to start utilizing that again. And for everything that I sell going forward, there's a lot of stuff in my store that this doesn't apply to because it was already there. I'm not going back in time. I'm not redoing stuff. But going forward, anything that sells in my shop is going to be labeled or have one of these tags attached to it. And on the back, I have made different categories for where the money will go for any profit that I get. One is medical expenses, one is towards my first home, another one is for car expenses, and then this one is pool pass, which is a new thing that I have also added into my budget. I have started swimming, and it's a very expensive pass to go do it because where I live there is no public indoor pool that goes year round. So I am limited to going to hotel pools, and there is one that allows you to buy passes and go there. But it on the front side of these, it has just a thank you for your order, and then tells you that the flip side is going to show where this money, any profit that I get, is going. So, and I have actually already sold some stuff. One thing that had this tag on it with the category of where it's going. And again, not everything that's listed in my shop has it right now, just because I was putting stuff on there before I decided I was doing it this way. And mostly I'm doing it to just take the responsibility of deciding where it goes when it comes in. I just don't want to deal with it. So it's random this way. So anyway, because I don't look and choose when I put them on, I just pick one up and do it. Anyway, I will stop rambling and I will get to what I've got going on. Hopefully my rambles actually did make sense on what's going on. I'm not going to go back and redo this. I will probably wish I had, but I won't. So I did sell one item that had a tag on it, and after fees, I made $19 on it. And then the cost of the item that I sold was $5. So I paid $5 for it, so I have to pay myself back for that. And then $7 is going into taxes. I just rounded up. and I have $7 to stuff in an envelope. So we are going to take some money here. Oh, let me see if I can zoom you out instead of in. There we go. So I did borrow this from my penny challenge jars just because I forgot to get the cash out of the bank before the weekend. So I'll just have to remember to pull $19 and put in here. So we are doing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Most of what's in that jar is ones, so that is what we are using. So this is kind of a taxes binder. You will see I have sold a few things, so I've paid taxes for them. So we are putting $7 in taxes. That is 5, 6, and 7. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do it this way, just because I want to. All right, so that, and then this is kind of a business binder. I have not stuffed anything in anything but taxes right now. So that is done. So then I have to pay myself back $5. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that will go to my wallet. And we have $7 left to stuff. And this is going to go into my house binder. So it will just get added into my down payment. Okay, so it is October 20th. We are adding $7. $5.27 is the total in this binder. You will notice everything got emptied out. I combined everything, and I am just going to focus on this envelope and this envelope right now. Just I need to get those figured out before I move on to the rest of this. Okay, so that is it for this should have been short video, but my ramblings, I am sure, have made it astronomically long for what I was doing. Thanks for coming along with me. Again, I hope to be doing more videos coming up. Things have started to settle down a little bit. I hope. I'm still got medical bills coming in hot and heavy. I've had to start going to a chiropractor. I've never had to go to a chiropractor before, but I've gone 7 times in the last 5 weeks, and I'm still gonna have to go, and I'm not sure how much I'll end up having to pay to go. So I'm not sure how substantial any like budgeting videos are gonna be, but I will be changing out my wallet here in the next video. I'm actually going to do it now. So watch out for that next video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for being here. Bye.